Okay, you guys, so FlipGive is a app that I have on my phone, but this is my computer. And when you sign up and through this FlipGive app, you will get money back on everyday purchases. So you can purchase gift cards or do online shopping, and a portion of it goes back to you. So between now and next May, you should be able to fundraise quite a bit of money. Even if it's $100 or $200, it still goes towards the trip for your child. So whatever you get through this app, you will get back in cash to yourself. So I'll do a withdrawal in May and everyone will get the amount back. So I'm going to send you a link. So it goes to your email. Okay. So I just have a link for Jane's school trip, and you click on it and you have to sign up in FlipGive. So I already signed up through my son's hockey team this spring. So I don't have to go through the process, but you would have to sign up, put in your information, blah, blah, blah. So, but it'll take you to this. It says join this team and continue. So you once I share this link, once you log in, it'll do a verification. So you have to go into your email and log in again. Okay. So that's how it works. You have to go through your email and log in again, just to verify. Just taking a little bit of time here because I'm at my cottage. Okay, so here I am. I go sign up with email. That's what you will do. I already have it, so I just go down here to log in. Okay, log in with my email. So I'll put in my email address. You can create a password for your FlipGive. So you would go through the process of logging in. Okay, signing up. And so it didn't come back to the it keeps flipping me out, so that means that it's trying to verify. So you just go back to your email and log in through your email that way. So I'll show you here. If I go to my inbox, it's saying, Flip, please verify your login right here. So you go log in. So you log in through FlipGive. It'll just wants to verify it's you. So you go back to your email because they'll send you another one, and then you log in through there. So I have logged in. This is what it looks like here. Okay. So you can search for, so you can do gift cards, or so any gift cards that are available, you can click on gift cards, or if you're just wondering what's out there, you can just search right here. Okay. So if you have your location settings, they'll tell you what's nearby. There are tons and tons of things on FlipGive, so be sure to, before you shop, go here. Okay. So for me, for gift cards, I buy my SO Mobile, so I still get my optimum points. Okay. So you get 2% back. There is another SO Mobile one where if you buy, it's called the discount one, so you get 5 cents off per liter. That gives 30% back. So a lot of people use that because they buy a $50 one of that and a $75 gift card and use them together. You get 30% back on your $50 gift card. So that's quite, I think it's like 15 bucks, I believe. That's quite huge. Okay. So you can view all your gift cards that are available. Indigo, Winners. I know Boston Pizza gives 6% back. Winners is 2% right now. President's Choice is 1%. If you go to Swiss Chalet, that's 7%. Jack Astor's is 10%. So you can just go through here and see all the ones for food. There's Lululemon's on here, Canadian Tire, Home Hardware. Some are just gift cards, some are online shopping. Okay, so gift cards you get automatically up here in your wallet. This is your wallet. Same thing on your phone. And then you just open your gift card. I just have a balance on it. And then once you're at the store, you scan it, or they put in your number. Okay. So that's how that works there. You get back a certain percent on each, and it changes over time. But you know, if you're going to Boston Pizza and you're going to spend 50 bucks, you might as well buy the e-gift card, and it's instant. It comes right to your wallet, and your wallet, which is what I just showed you. It goes right to your wallet, and you use it right away. Okay. Same with the SO Mobile one. I get my gas at the Superstore gas station, so I still get my optimum points, plus I get $1.50 back on every $75 gift card that I buy. So if you're interested, let me know. I'll send you the link, and the link that I send you, you have to let me know so I can put your kid's name into the app, and then you sign up under your kid's name. So you sign up under your name, and you can share the link with like your parents or your brothers or sisters or friends next door, whatever, and they can earn money for your child. So the money will go right back to your child. We'll do a withdrawal in May, and whatever money's in there, you will get. I'll just show you here. My son, I can change teams. My son's team, we've been fundraising just for a couple of months. And right here, if I go to funds, I'll show you funds. So I'm just switching teams here because we've already been on this. It'll show you how much money you get, okay? So if I go here to funds, it will show you that for William McCurdy, we have $71.28. So when they do the withdrawal here, he'll get back $71.28, okay? Every person that signs up under your child, the first time that they purchase through FlipGive, they will get an extra $5. So here you can see Mike McCurdy, $6.50. He signed up, he purchased a gift card at Esso, and he got $6.50 instead of $1.50. But the key here is that the person that's signing up has to, once they accept that link that you send and sign up in FlipGive under this team and your child, they have to make the purchase within the first 2 weeks to get that bonus of $5, okay? So it's a one-time bonus. So you sign yourself up, your partner up, your parents up, whatever, and then if they purchase within that first 2 weeks, you will get a $5 bonus with whatever they buy, whatever the cash back is that they buy. So it's quite an easy way to save money. Like that $71.28 is just gas for us. So I haven't really used it a whole lot. I should be using it more than I do, but I just have it on my phone. And so now I plan on using it more for Jane's class trip to see how much I can get back between now and the end of May. So let me know if you want the link, and I'll send the link to you and put your child's name in the app, and you can get spending as of today. Thanks.